Well, good afternoon. Just a quick one to show you how to transform plain Dollar Tree gift boxes into a beautiful frame print. For this project, I purchased two of these 11 by 14 picture frames from the Dollar Tree, and I purchased one thing of boxes. The very first thing I did was I take my boxes and I trim them down to an 11 by 14 size. To get this size perfect, once you lift up all these little thingies here, you remove the back. Okay, so I removed that, and I use this to cut my size right here. I lay that on there. Remove your picture, your piece of paper that's in there. I wanted my red frame that was on my box to go all the way around, so I did trim it, this little piece off the box, and I laid them little strips right in there. The next thing I did was I took my print and I laid that inside of my frame. And that will be like that. Then I need to tighten this up here. This is like not a real craft. This is just something really quick and easy to do. That goes right in like this. I'm sorry I'm off camera, I know, but all I'm doing is laying this together. Then I take my backing, make sure that this little tab is up because this is how you're going to hang it, and lay that right in the back there, like so. Then the next thing you do is just to push all of these tabs back down. So if you just want a quick little decoration to add to your home without spending the price of the pictures that you would buy, I've seen some pictures at Walmart for $7 or $8 each, and they weren't quite this big. So there you go. You notice the little red border. So this was a set of pictures for $3, two 11 by 14 pictures. Now they're ready to hang on my wall. So I have this one. It says the Christmas magic, beautiful. And then this is the reindeer. It says 'tis the season to be jolly. So again, all I used was a set of two gift boxes. Cut those frames down, cut the boxes down to the size. And if you notice on my reindeer, I wanted it to kind of match. It didn't have these blue trees on it here. I took the sides of my snowman box and cut my trees out. So now they look like a match set when I hang them on each side coming into my front door. Thanks. Hope that gave you a good idea on something to recreate and add to your home very inexpensively. Thanks, and have a Merry Christmas. And oh, if you didn't already go, give me a thumbs up and like my channel. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.